Hello everyone, let's going to cook now the Cajun seafood boil. First, let's prepare a pot with water and add some Cajun spice. Then add some freshly ground black pepper. And then also salt to taste. Don't put more because Cajun spice is a bit salty already. Then let's add brown sugar also, according to your preference. Then bring to boil. Once it's already boiling, add the ginger, garlic, and red onions. Then cover and bring to boil once more. Now add the mussels and clams. I boiled it earlier also. And then you add the sweet potato and potato. Add also the sliced Frankfurters, shrimps, and squid. Cover and bring to boil. Remove the shrimp and squid so that you will not be overcooking them. This time you add the corn in the cup as well. Now everything is cooked already. Drain them and set aside. Let's prepare now the Cajun sauce in a wok. You add the extra virgin olive oil. You can put more because it's really healthy and safe. Once the oil is already hot, saute the ginger first, followed by the red onions, and garlic last because garlic burns very quickly. This time we're going to add 2 blocks of butter, which is the star of this Cajun sauce. And of course, let's add the Cajun spice. Add also the paprika, the black pepper, brown sugar, and a little bit of salt to taste. Add the frankfurters, the shrimp, and the squid. And now you can arrange on the platter the corn, the mussels, the clams, the potatoes, and sweet potatoes.